Story time. Once upon a time, in a calm woodland, a flock of doves lived together. They were noted for their cohesion and cooperation. A tremendous storm hit the forest one day, creating chaos and ruin. The gusts were strong, and the trees were uprooted. The doves realized they needed to find shelter to survive in the midst of the pandemonium. Everyone realized that if everyone dispersed and sought to find refuge individually, they would be susceptible to the storm's vengeance. Instead, they chose to stick together and construct a sturdy shelter. Each dove carried little twigs, leaves, and branches in its beak and wings. They worked non-stop, collaborating and supporting one another. Their refuge became stronger as the storm roared on. They realized that they could withstand anything if they worked together. The storm eventually passed, leaving a destroyed forest in its wake. The dove's shelter, on the other hand, remained intact, a symbol of their unity and tenacity. The other animals in the forest were inspired by their story and banded together to repair their homes and restore the forest's beauty. This story teaches us that when we work together, we can conquer any difficulty.